Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste. I'm your host, I'm your teacher, and I'm your anchor. And I'm speaking very slowly, so you can notice and recognize my each and every word, so you can improve your skill. Of course, I am making a lot of content for you, for my audience, and only because of this, so you can improve your English speaking skill. I mean, and I will speak very slowly, so you can learn how to speak and how to handle every situation. Whenever I don't recommend you that you guys always uh, see that where this gonna tense gonna work, where this verb gonna work, how this plural singular form. No. I just want to that you just attach to this language. Yes, English speaking is not a very difficult thing. That how gonna we speak, people gonna laugh at me, people will see me, people will judge me, and first it's a 2025, and I'm saying that no one will judge you, because no one have time to judge you. And second thing, just focus on yourself, because if you will give 100% of time of yourself and improve to yourself, then you will gonna see a miracle one day. Of course, I'm telling you very seriously, you're gonna see a miracle in your life if you will give 100% of time of you. Because you as you can see that this is the world biggest disease in 2025, that loneliness become a disease. People are afraid, people are afraid to being alone, people are afraid to being isolation. And after corona, that you can see this fear is gonna much become like anxiety, depression, and many kind of disease. I mean, what they are gonna, this is a bullshit. What is this depression, anxiety, and all the bullshit you are listening to each and every day? And new diseases are coming, like it's, I mean, we are all are human beings. We have to be creative, we have to be innovative, we have to be socialist, we have to fit, and we have to live a healthy life. But what we are discussing today right now, that what is the new disease, what is the new, not as, and today, and also the last 10 years. Oh my god, I'm seriously telling you that Indian cinema ruined this, all the movie culture. I mean, bullshit movie are making in last 10 years. I'm telling you that it's just, I mean, 4 or 5 movie, if you are throughout to last 10 years, 12 years, I don't think so any a good movie are coming. And also the singing, it's all about. But what we can do this, it's all about the nepotism, the we are can see everywhere. So, but not this problem. We are talking about, look, this is the difference. If you are talk to a negative, then your energy will become to negative. You can see that, you can easily feel that. So of course, I am we are talking about verb, that how gonna we use verb. And I'm telling you that there, can, could, may, would, 5 word I'm taking this, so you can learn easily. There, can, could, may, would, how gonna we use it? He dare not cheat anyone again. He dare not cheat anyone again. उसकी हिम्मत नहीं होगी किसी से बेईमानी करने की. कैन आई टेक योर बाइक, क्या मैं तुम्हारी बाइक ले सकता हूँ? कैन आई टेक योर बाइक. कुड आई टॉक टू मिस्टर सिंह, क्या मैं मिस्टर सिंह से बात कर सकता हूँ? मे आई कम इन सर, क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ सर? वुड यू हेल्प मी, क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? A model is always followed by is a model is always a model is always followed by must have seen उसने शायद देखा होगा dare can could may would he dare not cheat anyone again can I take your bike could I talk to Mr. Singh may I come in sir would you help me a model is always followed by must have seen. So again, I'm telling you that how gonna we use verb and it's just a simple form. I am just giving you example that 7 or 8 sentence because as you can see that there is enough space of this my blackboard. So I can give you only 7 or 8 example. But if you are practicing daily, then you can your mind your brain will automatically pronounce and automatically your mind gonna create. A lot of sentence that like he dare not cheat anyone. So if you are taking a word, if you are taking a verb dare, how dare you, she dare me, you gonna dare them, what is the dare? Look, 5 or 6 sentence your brain will creating. Can I take your bike? Can I take your bike? Can I take your pen? Can I borrow half of sugar, half of kg sugar? Can I ask you? Can you please tell me? Can you go? Can you come? Could I talk to Mr. Singh? Could I talk to Mr. Singh? Couldn't you go? Could I talk to Mr. Singh? Could I talk to Mr. Rajesh and whatever they pronounce. I'm just giving an example that you're gonna make a sentence, okay? You just make a sentence. May I come in, sir? May I give you? May you gonna be? May I come in, sir? Would you help me? Would you help me? Would you help me? A model is always followed by must have seen. Must have seen. A model is always followed by would you help me? Dare, can, could, may, would. He dare not cheat anyone again. Can I take your bike? Could I talk to Mr. Singh? May I come in, sir? Would you help me? A model is always followed by must have seen. So I'm sure you gonna make and I'm very sure that you're gonna make a lot of paragraph. You can easily practicing a essay. Just create a essay in your mind, then speak slowly, imagine, vision, because imaginary and visionary power is very powerful. You're gonna see whatever you want to see. So always just become a visionary people and imagine and create the thing, whatever you like. And I mean, this whole universe, I'm telling you, this whole universe is a creation of human. If your imaginary power is so powerful and you are becoming a conscious each and every day, I'm telling you, there's no one in this world you will beat it. I mean, it's impossible to beat you if you are if you just become a conscious and become a very imaginary. Because you see, creation is all about the imagination. Whatever the imagination is, that your creation. So, and you can see that Hollywood movie and Bollywood movie, they whatever they what they are, this is a business. This is a business of creation. And of course, right now in 2025, YouTube give you opportunity to become a content creator. I mean, look at, see what is the big opportunity you have, that you have a channel. It's free and you can create a content for your audience. And look, you don't need a class, a student. You can make a video in your room, and people gonna, if your content is a good, people gonna like it. And it's just being a consistent. I think this is the main key: consistency and discipline. I think these two are the most powerful thing I know, which can make you unbeatable. So i'm sure I'm sure you wanna like it. And just tell me, please like and share my just simple, and do please lot of subscribe. Do subscribe. I'll make a very great content for you, so you can become a very great learner. Okay, thanks to you.